Hey everybody, it's me, Jeff Acosta. Hey, how you guys all doing? Well, welcome to another video. I hope you appreciated and liked my my Asperger syndrome video about my obsession with elephants in the previous blog. All right, and before we go on, as always, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome, autism, and they need any type of inspiration, please tell them about my YouTube channel right there, where you can check all my past adventures and some of my interests and everything. My Instagram page, where you can find all my posts and my collages, and most of all, my professional Facebook page of all of the same name, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta. And as always, I am called Meat Writer Jeff Acosta because I have my own online copyrighted children's book series I've written and illustrated for 20 years this month. 20 years, June 2026. I can't believe it's been 20 years. And that is going to be one of my next videos about Asperger syndrome, is my 20-year writing adventure. Can't believe it's been that long. And as you saw right there, the way you can find my books is go onto the professional Facebook page, go onto the albums, click on any album if you want, and then click the very first illustration. That is the title cover right there, and you can read my books and check out my illustrations. Get the word out there to see if there's any chance of being professionally published by any of the big giants like Random House, Scholastic, Penguin, or even if there's a chance of being discovered with a literary agent as well. And as always, I copyrighted my books so I can protect my ideas and everything. Still, it'd be nice if my books could be in a bookshop someday. All right, everybody. Well, got about a few hours till I can get ready, but I'm going to be heading off to some Sacramento River Cats baseball games this weekend. One today and one tomorrow, Sunday, June 2026. That is, or June 7th. That is. I believe that there's some events this weekend. I think I read Golden Girls Night and then also Dinger's birthday. So we'll see if that happens. Yeah, because my brother's team is playing against the River Cats. It's the Tacoma Rainiers. So this is really exciting. It's always just fun to just go to baseball games. Now, I mean, I know everybody has their differences and thought and beliefs about or opinions about sports. Me as a kid, or when I was a kid, I didn't really care for sports. I didn't even like playing sports, but now as an adult, I love going to sporting events, especially baseball. All right, I can't wait. So, and it'll be great to see, see the family and meet my brother afterwards. My best friend was supposed to come, but she had a feeling that she might have an event that she should attend, and that she'll get paid for, and she did. So that's okay. You know what? She let me know in advance, which I appreciated in her. So hopefully maybe next time there's a big baseball event or just an outing with my family, she'll be able to attend just as much. As you can hear, I'm just a little excited, and also I'm also excited. Oh my gosh, I think I just said that. Or I'm a little tired and excited. and of course nervous laughs. It's fun. All right, guys. Well, you know what? Before I go on blabbering or talking just endlessly, you know what? Let me just enjoy a little bit of time and try to get some things ready within these next few hours, and I'll be off to meet my parents over at Sutter Health Park and for the Sacramento River Cats and the Tacoma Rainiers. Let's be off. All right. Ooh, it is breezy, but it feels great, especially for it being summer now. All right, I made it to Sutter Health Park. I'm going to be meeting up with my mom and my stepdad pretty soon, so this will be great, especially to see what Golden Girls Night is like. And for tonight's game and tomorrow's, possibly, if the moment if I record anything and then some copyrighted music starts being played, I might end up muting it out, just because so to avoid copyright on YouTube. But for right now, the theme song for Golden Girls: thank you for being a friend, travel down a road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would be the greatest gift that we would get. And the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Oh god, that was off. That was weird, but oh well. At least that's something you'll get at the Golden Girls theme song. Alright, well, I'm gonna head over. Let's meet up with Mom and my stepdad. All right, time to get some food and some beer. Let's see what I find. getting the home run smash burger with fries and a gummy worm hazy pale ale. This will be great. All right, let me go back and meet my folks, then we'll get to the game, and we'll start pretty soon.
Oh, you know what? Yeah.
They needed 3 out of 5 and win a prize. Okay, let's see the first item. What is it? Sliced bread. Younger or before or after? She says after. After. Dorothy's 1 for 1. Okay, pop-up toaster. Before or after? After again. Okay, 1 for 2, 1 for 2. All right, next one. Traffic light. After, show me after. Oh, 1 for 3. Next 2 Dorothy. All right, next one.
Before, come on, before. It's got before.
Before, show me before. After.
What? Oh.
He's so close. Give it up for Dorothy, everyone.
What I remember is we brought food. And there might be a beer truck.
God, that really is a scout online.
I do think these teams right now have good signs.
I don't see a gun, no.
No way. unless that guy knows that we're like he's trying to do it. Yeah, he could be lucky. This looks familiar. So who take a look at that? That's 3 pitchers. So nowhere near the and all 3 guys here. It'll be awesome.
Let's slice this baby up and see if we can solve our big problem.
It is possible.
No, Dorothy, exactly 147. I've never talked to Nurse Lafarge. I think I could handle it with a little more tact. Stop it, ladies. Not for you, nursing, nurse. And scared and by yourself without a double fudge chocolate cheesecake in the freezer. So well, already.
Fans, please direct your attention to the video. It's tonight's very lucky roll. Take it away, Styles. We've been talking about cheesesteak all night long, and we have a special delivery from Dinger. It's real this time. Dinger's cheesesteak delivery. The lucky brothers row 7. Second 117. Multiple types of cheesesteak. You got the chocolate. You got the raspberry. You got the original. They're gonna get some nice cheesecake with a caramel drizzle. Oh my goodness, Dinger, you were too nice to ever give it up for a lucky round number 7. And maybe they'll share with you. That was Dinger's cheesecake delivery. Let's give it up for Sophia. Yeah, we have to do it. Everybody wins! Give it up for everyone who made it to the Azul contest.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. I need some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, for it's root for the ball game. If you don't win, it's a shame, for it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. All right, that was awesome. It took me a moment, but at least I got to get a chance to get a picture with Dinger today, just in case I don't get to tomorrow during his birthday celebration. That was awesome. Okay, let me head back to meet up with my parents, and we'll enjoy the rest of the game. Oh my gosh. That's just funny. And then apparently, like, he decided to come right by us. I got a little overexcited though. Yeah, I can't help it though. It's fun. It's fun though. Oh, hold on one sec. Yeah, I believe so. All right. Well, I just got home from the first game. You know, even though my brother's team, you know, didn't win the game, it was still a great game. I mean, hey, they came pretty close, so it was really exciting. It was just a great time. You know, it was just wonderful, all the Golden Girls references and everything. And you know, even if this video does get flagged down for copyright because, you know, the music and everything, I can't help it. I mean, it wouldn't be a part of my video, wouldn't be Golden Girls at the River Cats game if I didn't, you know, mention the actual theme song. So at least on the bright side, at least when I make my videos, I don't anticipate on getting monetized or just making any money on any of them. I mean, I don't know if I said monetized correctly. I'm a little tired. And also, it was just a great time with everybody, and just great to be with my parents, get to see my brother after the game for a moment. And the fact that my old friend and neighbor is on the Tacoma Rainiers as well, that was exciting. So it was great to see him again, see some of his friends again who I knew as well when my parents owned a condo in Sacramento, and also getting to see my friend's wife again. What an exciting night. And also, even though I didn't get a picture with her, I also got to see an old regular of mine from Target as well. I wish, just like when I got pictures with the two of my old regulars from when I earlier this year, like when I saw them at the oh my gosh, I'm so tired, I can't remember, but it was the art exhibit earlier this year. I'll write it down when I edit this video. See, I'm so tired, and I just had such a great time. What an exciting night. But anyways, my old regular, she and her daughter were frequent regulars of mine. It was just what an exciting night. You know, seriously, whether my best friend came with us or not, I knew it was going to be a great night, and it really was. And then also the two gentlemen, since I had to take a lift to and from Sacramento for this game, both of them were amazing. Especially the gentleman who I rode back up with when him telling me like how he and his wife are raising their kids, you know, to not let pride get the better of them, to set their minds to that, you know, to whatever they want to accomplish, and they can achieve those goals. So many great things tonight. What an exciting night. And of course, you know, if I hope to get out to see the Tacoma Rainiers next year when they start their next playoff season, you know, and then hopefully if my brother's still with them, you know, I get to see the Tacoma Rainiers at their stadium, and I get to picture with their mascot, Rhubarb the reindeer. At least I got to get a chance with Dinger, the cougar or river cat, whichever he is. Oh man, I'm so tired. It's had such a great time. All right, everybody. Well, I'm gonna head off to bed, and I'll be ready for the game tomorrow. And it's supposed to be Dinger's birthday. What an exciting game of Golden Girls. Thank you for being a friend. Hey, good morning. Well, it's Sunday, June 7th. It was a nice night. It felt like a long night, you know. Just even though, because I'm not quite sure how many hours of sleep I got, but I feel good that I got at least some decent sleep. Especially like, you know, after the exciting game last night, and you know, and having some good food and a couple of beers. It was a good time, man. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's Jax on his scratch post, and look at him, he's shaking it. And you know what? That's a funny thing. Like when I make my videos, I actually put my phone on my on Jack's scratch post there, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, take a look. Well, might as well bring you in a moment. Hey everybody. Hey. All right. Well, hey, got another baseball game today with the River Cats and the Rainiers. So it's got to get ready. But then today we're gonna wear some special get-ups. So let's get ready. Jax, wish you can come along. Okay, in case you're wondering, this is Slam and Sam from the Tacoma Rainiers. The official mascot of the Tacoma Rainiers is actually Rhubarb the reindeer, who I hope to like, you know, picture with if I get a chance to go out and see one of the games next year in Tacoma. But you know, because they had mostly Slam and Sam merchandise, and also something really special you'll see at the end of the video, and of course it's a magnet. I'll say it now, it's a magnet. I thought I'd just get Slam and Sam. All right, so we'll put this on, and then I'll meet up with the family later. That's why all the mascots.
Dinger's birthday. Which one's Dinger?
The panther.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Do we get to run on the field?
I'm gonna wait to grab a couple drinks because I want to eat first. So I got a dinger dog, so we'll see how this is. Dear Dinger, happy birthday to you. So many mascots. How exciting.
Yeah, so
This is awesome. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the grounds. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, for it's root for the whole team. If they don't win, it's a shame, for it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. I recognize that animal. That was a pika, P-I-K-A. Wow, Dippin' Dots. That's pretty cool. Oh, Stomper. Oh well, it's the birthday cat. Oh well, it's Dinger's birthday.
Give it up for Dinger! He wins the transfer race! Great job, Dinger. Happy weekend.
Yeah! Oh, that was awesome. That's awesome. There's my family. It's my old friend and his wife and family. This is awesome. What a great weekend.
Pretty cute, huh?
Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is awesome. Yeah. This is so cool in the bullpen. A shack is a little place where we can get together. Oh, I thought you were serious. Well, everybody, what an amazing weekend of baseball and being with the family and friends and everything. What an amazing weekend. And just also, of course, you know, today with it being Dinger's birthday at the River Cats game, boy, all the mascots, it was literally like the Disneyland of baseball games. It was awesome. And it was just great to be with everybody and just see my brother and my parents and their friends again. And just seeing my old friend and neighbor and seeing a lot of his friends and his wife again this weekend was amazing. I loved it. What an exciting weekend. You know, I can't wait to see what the next baseball games will be like, you know, pretty soon. So, hey, let's see how it goes. As you could hear, I'm a little tired because, you know, it was pretty warm, but it was still a great weekend. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching this video blog about my weekend with the River Cats and my brother's team, the Tacoma Rainiers. And hey, before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome or autism or any kind of special condition and they need some type of inspiration, instead of telling Slam and Sam here, please tell them about my YouTube channel right there where you can find all my past adventures and blogs. Check them out. My Instagram page where you can find all my posts and my collages. And most of all, my professional Facebook page of the same name, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta. And as always, I am called Meat Writer Jeff Acosta because this month is 20 years ago when I started writing and illustrating my copyrighted online children's book series. I still hope to be professionally published one day, but the way to check out my books is go onto the albums like you saw right there, click on an album and you can find my books. Click the very first illustration, which is like you saw right there, which is the title cover, and then you can start reading my books and checking out my illustrations. Please check out my books, everybody, and I hope there's a chance to be discovered, whether it's through a literary agent or a professional publisher like Random House, Scholastic, or Penguin, any of the big publishing companies in the world out there. All right, everybody. Well, hey, it'll be interesting to see what the next video blog will be like. But maybe it's going to be about when I wrote and illustrated my books 20 years ago. We shall see. All right, everybody. Well, hey, see you in the next video blog. See ya. Alright, in case you're wondering who this is, oops, hold on one sec. Blooper.